Hi! In this video, we'll be talking about how to calculate the standard deviation from a list of values that has an associated list of frequencies. In my stat editor, I've already got a list of values associated with a set of outcomes, 1 through 6, and a frequency list that shows the number of times each of those outcomes came out. I'm going to press the stat key. I'm going to arrow to calculate 1var statistics. Underneath of 1var stats, I can choose the list and the frequency list where my list of counts has come up. And then I'm going to choose calculate. Here I'll get, again, that same list of statistics, including both the sample standard deviation and, if this was a population, the population standard deviation. Secondarily, I could calculate that standard deviation directly using second stat or second lists, arrow to math, and choose option number 7, standard deviation, and put in the list that I want the standard deviation of and the frequency with a comma, the frequency list, and press enter.